Let's make some adorable Santa ornaments out of these paintbrushes. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so Dollar Tree has these paintbrushes. They are packed two, so this is a twofer kind of project, and all I'm doing is painting the handles red. You can paint them any color, but red, Christmas, you know. This is a Waverly chalk paint. Forgive me, I think the color is crimson. Is the color. Perfect. And then I did both sides and all that. Now, one of them, I dipped the end of my brush in some white chalk paint, and I just did polka dots on one of them because I thought it's so whimsical and cute. I thought maybe it would be cool to have just, variability. You could do stripes on one of them, or you could leave one completely without anything on it. And then I have this fuzzy ribbon. I think I got it from Michael's, and I just measure how much it's going to take to cover the brush, and then I fold it in half and glue it. Perfect. And then we're going to put some glue on our paintbrush, and we're going to glue our cute little fuzzy ribbon on it. Words are so difficult today. Words are difficult every day. What is my problem? All the time. It's crazy. Anyways, so wrap it around, put some more glue on your brush, and put as much glue on as you want. And I also noticed that if you don't put glue all on the inside before you fold it, you might have a pocket when you go and wrap it around your brush, and you'll see mine had a pocket and it's easily fixed. See that little pocket? Just put a little glue in it like this, and then use a finger protector, obviously, so you don't hurt yourself, but just press it down and it's fine. Then I have a wood bead, and I think it's like 1/4 inch wood bead. I put some hot glue on it, and then I glue it just under the edge of that ribbon. Look at how, stop it. Right there alone, to me, it's adorable. But then I had, I have this garland that I keep pulling off of and using it as embellishments on other projects. So I just put some glue on the back of this little holly, or is it mistletoe? I don't know what it is. It's Christmassy. So I glued that on that one. And on the other one, I took a little piece off of a wreath, and I went back to the other one because I had an epiphany, and I said, oh, I've got a pom-pom. We're going to glue that on the top. Stop it, right? I mean, stop. It's adorable. Then going back to the polka dot one, I glued a little red bell on that one. You can do so many different things. So then I was like, well, we have to put a hanger on it. So I took some pretty ribbon that I'd gotten at Target, and I doubled it and put the loop through, and then pulled the tails through that, and look at it, like cradles the handle so nice. I don't know. I think it looks really cool. And then I just knotted it at the top, and hello. Look at this. You could make this. It could be a total ornament if you wanted. It could be a decoration in your house. Heck, you could even put a magnet on the back and make it a Listen, I have a thing for magnets. So you could put a magnet on the back, and you could put it for your refrigerator. I did put a little wooden snowflake on one of them just because I thought it needed just a little bit more, but stop it. Look at how cute these are. I love them so much, and they were so easy. All right, friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.